Posibleng manalo ang Gentalino Heartthrob ng Tarlac. Traveling, going to cafes, museums, shopping. Hindi ko na kung familiar sila pero Keshi, Cigarettes After Sex, SZA, 1975, and Billie Eilish. Honestly, my room, yung condo, burger, pizza, Korean spicy noodles, hot pot, and caldereta. Caldereta ng mom ko. To have a mediocre life. Ever since nung bata pa po akong maging astronaut. Naalala ko nung grade 3 ako, nagkaroon po ng planetarium sa school. Parang ganun activity. So ever since then, sobrang fascinated ka na sa mga galaxies, sa mga stars, planets. Yun, doon yung simula. Siyempre may family, may dog, Chucky. Tapos kung bagay naman, siguro my phone.